In the E drive, in the D drive, we created one folder, November softwares. We downloaded all the softwares and we have installed. In case of JDK, it's just extracted folder. In the extracted folder, we have observed bin folder. This bin folder containing javac command and java command. These two commands we have to use for every Java program. For every Java program, we have to use these two commands. Yesterday we have seen how to run these two commands from the command prompt. Generally, we can run any command from the current location. We can run any command from the current location. You can select the address bar, javac command and java command. Select the address bar, type cmd, command prompt is opened. You can trigger javac command. You can also trigger java command. By default, any command we can run from the current location, from the place where commands available. We can run from the place where commands available. If command is available in the ABC folder, from that ABC folder we can run the command. If command is available in the XYZ folder, from that XYZ folder we can run the command. If command is available in the Python folder, we can run that command from the Python folder. So here, javac command and java command both available in the bin folder. We opened a command prompt to tilt the bin folder. From the bin folder, we triggered javac and java. By default, any command we can run from the place where command is available. Any command. Please observe. We can run any command from the directory where it is available. It is a default. If you are coming out, I'm just coming to the parent. If you are coming out, I'm just coming to the parent. From the parent location, you cannot run javac command. You cannot run java command. From the parent itself, you are not able to run. Then definitely you cannot run from any other location by default. By default, any command we can run only from the current directory. Only from the directory where command is available by default. If you really wanted running a command from any location, assume command is there in the ABC folder and you want to run the same command from XYZ folder. If you want to run a command from outside a current location, then path setting is required. Through path setting, you will be specifying location of the command to the command prompt. There are three approaches. To set a path. Let us see first approach. Set space set space path is equal to set space path is equal to name of the environment variable is a path. Set space path is equal to copy location of your command. Copy location of your command. The location of the command. Location where command is available. The location where command is available. Copy, Control C. Right click and paste. Right click and paste. We are telling to command prompt. This is the location where commands available. This is the location where commands available. The location, the place where commands available. The location where commands available. Present. Now you can able to trigger Java C command, Java command successfully. You can come out from the current location, re-trigger Java C, re-trigger Java. You can come out from the current location. You can re-trigger Java C command, Java command. You can come to the C drive. You can come to the C drive. Java C space hyphen version. Java space hyphen version. Once you set a path, then command prompt can recognize location of the commands. You can able to run the command from any directory. Let me go to the E drive. Java C version. Java version. Setting a path very much required in order to run the commands. In order to run the commands from different locations. If you really wanted to run the command from different location, path environment variable very much required. Path environment variable very much required. With the path environment variable, we are telling to the command prompt. My Java C command is available in this particular location. My Java command is available in this particular location. Path is a environment variable. Environment variables are mainly to specify something about your software environment. Our software is a Java. Java software environment. Java software location. Java commands related location that we can specify through path. Path is a fixed name. You cannot change from a path to any other different names. It is a fixed predefined name. Predefined name. Please observe. Path is a fixed predefined name. You have to use the same. You should not change. Let us consider you installed Python. Python also having some commands. If you want to run that commands from different locations, you need to update a path. Assume you installed MySQL. MySQL also having some commands. To run that MySQL commands from different locations, you need to update the path. Let us consider you installed Oracle. Oracle also having some commands. You want to run that commands from different locations, you need to update a path. Path is not a Java specific. Path is specific to any commands. For any commands, it can be Java based commands, C++ based commands, Python based commands, ABC software based commands, XYZ software based commands. For any command, you need to update a path in order to run that command from different locations in the command prompt. In the command prompt, in order to run any command, from different locations, that command location should be specified in the path. That command location should be mentioned inside a path. Whatever path we set through set is a one of the operating system command. It is already predefined command, operating system command. This set command is used. This set command is used to set any configuration to the current command prompt. Set is a command. It is used for. It is used for. Set is a command. Set is a command. It is used for. It is used for configuring anything to the current command prompt. Configuring anything. Configuring anything to the current command prompt. 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 We need to configure path value. Use the set command. Set is not a Java based command. Set is a operating system based command. Operating system based command. Set is operating system command. It is used for configuring anything to the command prompt. Configuring anything to the command prompt. Path is equal to set path is equal to set path is equal to you need to specify command's location. You need to copy the command's location from the address bar. Don't type the lengthy path. If you are typing the lengthy path, definitely chances are there to type the wrong words. Typo error might be. If you are setting a path like this, it will be local. It will be local to the current command prompt. It will be local to the current command prompt. It will be local to the current command prompt. Please observe. It will be local to the current command prompt. Local to the current command prompt. It will not be visible to other command prompts. It will not be visible to other command prompts. It will not be visible to other command prompts. Let me open another command prompt. This is the another command prompt. I open this command prompt. I am triggering Java C command. Not able to run. Why? Because we didn't set a path. We didn't set a path. We set a path in the previous command prompt that was local to the previous command prompt. That was local to the previous command prompt. You need to set once again set space path is equal to set space path is equal to set space path is equal to, you can see, set space path is equal to. Now you can trigger Java C command. You can trigger Java command as well. You can go to any location from this current command prompt. You can go to any location from the current command prompt. You can go to any location from the current command prompt. I'm going to C drive. I'm triggering Java C command successfully. I'm going to the E drive. E colon represents E drive. Java C command. I'm coming back to the D drive. Java C command. In the last session itself, we observed this point. Now let us see setting a path global, global to every command prompt. I don't want to set a path after opening a new command prompt. Whenever I'm opening a new command prompt, automatically it should get a path information. Automatically it should get a path information. I should not set a path explicitly for every command prompt. Let us see setting a path global, global to all the command prompts. That setting should be visible even after restarting my system. Even though after restarting, the same path setting should be available. Same path setting should be available. Come to the Windows Explorer. This window is called as a Windows Explorer. In the left frame, you can see this PC. Everybody, come to the Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer. You can see this PC in the left side. This PC in the left side. This PC in the left side. Right click on this PC. Go to properties. Right click on this PC, go to properties. Right click on this PC, go to properties. Right click on this PC, go to properties. Go to properties. In the properties, come little down, or in the right side, you can find advanced system settings. In the down or in the right side, you can find advanced system settings. Advanced system settings, click on this. Advanced system settings. Advanced system settings. You can see environment variables. Environment variables. Click on environment variables. Environment variables. Click on environment variables. So here two sections are there. Upper one section, bottom one section. Consider upper section. You can see user variables for Dell. Dell is a name, username in my system. In my system, the username is a Dell. Upper section, user variables for a particular, for a current user. You can see path in the upper section. If there is no path, then click on new. If there is a path, select a path, then go to edit. Select a path, then go to edit. 99% path already available in every systems. In very rare scenarios, path will not be available. If there is no path, you have to click on new, specify name as a path, value as your command location. If path already available, select the path, click on edit. First edit. In the upper section, 3 buttons are there. Select upper section, edit. After selecting a path. After selecting a path, click on edit. Click on edit. Click on new. There is a new in the top right. There is a new in the top right. Click on new. You will be getting automatically one blank line in the bottom. One blank line in the bottom. In that blank line, you can provide whatever copied bin folder location. Control V. Bin folder location. Control V. Bin folder location. Control V. Completely bin folder location, that is Java C command location we are providing as a one entry in the path. Already in my system 3 entries were there. In your system also there may be 1 or 2 entries. So no matter how many entries are there, go to the new, you will be getting a blank line in the bottom and paste it completely Java C command location, bin folder of JDK. Then click OK in all the windows. In every window, click OK. Don't go for cancel. 2-3 windows are there now. In all the windows, click OK. In every window, click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Don't go for cancel. Then only update will be. One more point here. Whatever configuration you are doing in the PC, this PC, whatever configuration you are doing in this PC, that configuration will not be available to opened command prompts. Already some command prompts are opened. These opened command prompts will not be knowing whatever configuration we set in this PC. Close the opened command prompts, open a new command prompt. Once you open a new command prompt, then that will be knowing whatever configuration you made in this PC. Please close all opened command prompts. Whenever command prompt is opening, at that time only it is going to this PC, getting the information. After opening a command prompt, if you do any changes in this PC, that changes will not be reflecting to opened command prompts. You need to open a new command prompt to get the changes. Very simple. Everybody, after changing something in this PC, after changing something in this PC, you need to open a new command prompt. Whenever a command prompt is opening, it is going to this PC, getting all the configuration as a snapshot. Observe this point. Whenever command prompt is opening, it is going to this PC, getting every configuration as a snapshot. Afterwards, if you do any changes in this PC, that will not be reflecting to opened command prompt. If you want to get changes, you need to open a new command prompt. Whenever command prompt is opening, it is going to this PC, reading all the configuration as a snapshot. Snapshot means current content. Later, whatever you do the changes, that will not be reflecting the current content, the current configuration. That is why whenever you do any changes in my PC, whenever you do any changes in the PC configuration, you need to open a new command prompt. You need to open a new command prompt. I am opening a new command prompt. This is the new command prompt. This is the new command prompt. In this new command prompt, trigger Java C command. Java C command with a version running very successfully. We didn't set a path here, but we set a path globally in my computer, in the PC. Please observe. We set a path globally in the PC itself. Globally in the PC itself. Globally in the PC itself. Now you can able to run Java space hyphen version. Not only in this command prompt, in any command prompt, please observe. I am opening a new command prompt. Trigger Java C command with a version. Java command with a version. In any command prompt. No matter where is the location, I'm going to the E drive, triggering Java C command. Even you can check it out after restarting. Even you can check it out after restarting. It works. We set a path permanently in a global location. That location is this PC. That will be available to every command prompt. Let me open another command prompt. Everybody. It's a new command prompt. Java C space hyphen version. Java space hyphen version. Java C and Java. From any location, you can able to. From any location, you can able to run Java C. From any command prompt, we set a path globally. We set a path globally. We have set a path globally. any command prompt. Even after restarting also it will be available. Whenever you are formatting a system, at that time only path will be erasing. Whenever you are formatting a system, if you format the system, then only PC configuration will be erased. Now, we configured in the PC itself. This PC, my PC. In this PC, my PC, we have configured. It will be available forever as long as you are not formatting the system. Even after restarting any number of sessions, but it will be available to only current login. I logged into the system with a Dell. I logged into the system with a Dell as a user. Please observe, whatever path we set, that path setting is for one user, current user, one user. The current user to my system is a Dell. Same system may have multiple user accounts. Same system may have multiple user accounts. Same system might have multiple user accounts. Whatever path we set now, that path is setting to one user, current user, local to one user. Even after restarting, if the same user is re-login, then path will be available. After restarting, if same user is re-login, please observe. If same user is re-login, definitely, it will be available for one user, user wise, setting an environment variable. Two ways we have seen. First one through set command. Through set command, setting a path for one command prompt, one command window. Second one, for one user. For all the command prompts of one user. For one user, every command prompt, even after restarting, one user. How to set for one user? In the PC, under user level. In the PC environment variables, two sections are there. Upper section is a user level. Lower section is a system level. Upper section is a user level. Lower section is a system level. Please observe. Second way of setting a path is user level setting environment variable. For one user. For the current user. Even for any number of command prompts by one user, even after relogin, restarting for one user. Always advisable to set any configuration for the current user, not for all the users. You may not be aware of system having multiple user accounts. Please observe. One system can have multiple user accounts. Same system can have multiple user accounts. User account creation, it is a 2 minutes job. Even we also can create a user account by just going through Google. Even though we don't know anything how to create a new account, in the Google you can find the procedure, very few steps. We can create a new user account. In one family, assume one laptop, 3 people are there. They can create 3 different user accounts. User account creation is not a difficult. Earlier, maybe 10-15 years back, there were shift systems in the computers also, in the IT field also. There were some shift, morning one shift, evening one shift, night one shift, especially startup companies. not able to manage bigger workspace, not able to manage bigger workspace. More systems they are not able to manage. Assume they have a 150 employees, they will be managing 50 cubicles, 50 cubicles, each cubicle, one laptop or one desktop, 3 shifts, 150 employees, accommodation capacity is a 50 only, 50 employees working in one shift, next 50 employees working in the second shift, the last 50 employees working in the third shift. Each system using by 3 different users in 3 different shifts. 3 different users. Definitely 3 different login accounts. 3 different login accounts. System administrator creating 3 different login accounts. If you are setting a path under user level, if you are setting path under user level, if you are setting a path under user level, if you are setting a path under user level, path under user level, that will be visible to, that will be visible to only current user, only to current user, even though other users also valid to the system, even though other users also valid to the system, other users will not be able to see the path whatever you set for another user. Let us consider ABC one user, XYZ another user. ABC user, he sets some path environment variable under user level. Then ABC only can see. XYZ cannot see. If XYZ cannot see, he cannot modify, he cannot remove, he cannot misuse. It is always advisable to set any configuration user level. User level is highly secured. User level, highly secured. Other users are not knowing whatever configuration you are doing. If they are not knowing, definitely they cannot modify, they cannot remove, they cannot misuse. Always configuration is recommended user level. Second approach is the best. Second approach is the best. The third approach is global to all the users. In the system, if 3 user accounts are there, setting some configuration global to all 3 user accounts. Global to all 3 user accounts. That is called as a system level updating a path. Second approach is user level updating a path. First approach is command prompt, command window wise. Command window wise updating a path. Updating a path command window wise. Updating a path user wise. Updating a path system wise. Command prompt wise. Command prompt wise. User wise for one user. Last one system wise. System wise means for all the users. For all the users. For every user. For every user. Whoever valid to the system. I'll just show the third approach. Don't follow, don't implement. We are not using third approach. Third approach is not recommended. Why? Because losing the security. Your settings are knowing to other users of same system. You should know the procedure, but don't experiment. No need of going through the third approach. In any company, we will not be using the third approach. Second approach only we are following, but you should know even third approach. Third approach also almost similar to first approach with a small change. Go to this PC. I'll just show the step. This PC. Right click. Properties. This PC, right click, properties, come to the down, advanced system settings, environment variables, environment variables. We set a path under user level, that is upper section. Upper section path is a user level. In the lower section also there is a path which is a system variable. There is a title as a system variable. Title as system variable. Title as system variable. Title as a system variable. System variable. There is a path. You need to update a path here. Let me select, let's go to edit in the bottom edit. Bottom edit. Don't provide, just to see what are the things available. Click on edit. You can see more entries are there. All these entries are operating system specific. Whatever entries you are seeing, all these entries are operating system specific. Instead of modifying something in the global place where operating system is using, go to your user partition, that is upper section user level. This place is very dangerous, not at all advisable to do. Why? Because it is using by operating system. All these variables, all these entries are operating system specific. Don't do anything here. While doing something here, if existing one is getting modified, getting corrupted, then the total operating system will not be functioning well. Two limitations are there. One is, if you set a path over here, if you set a path over here, every user will come to know. Every valid user can see. They can modify, they can remove, they can misuse. First one is security losing. Second one, you are doing something where operating system is exclusively using. All these entries are operating system specific. Don't try doing anything where operating system is working, where operating system is using. It is completely operating system specific entries. While you are updating your JDK bin, if existing values are getting corrupted somehow, then the total operating system will be getting affected. Don't do this one. This is the place where you need to update a JDK path for all the users of your system. For every user of the system, if you want to update JavaC command location, then you need to update over here. But don't do, it's not recommended. I'm not doing. You can cancel all the windows. I just showed the location. Cancel all the windows. All three different ways we have seen to update a path. To update a path. To update a path, to update a path, all three different locations we have seen. Now, a simple point, echo space, percentage path percentage. Echo space, percentage path percentage. Just to press enter. echo space percentage path percentage. Echo space percentage path percentage. It is used for reading values of any environment variable. It is used for reading values of any environment variable. Any environment variable. Values of any environment variable. Values of any environment variable. Values of any environment variable. Here path is an environment variable. You need to specify echo space percentage name of the environment variable, then percentage. Echo space percentage name of the environment variable, then percentage. Whenever you are triggering echo command, it will be reading path from both the locations, system location and user location. Under system location and also user location. System location and user location. You can see the last entry, whatever we set. This is our JDK bin path. JDK bin path. JDK bin path. JDK bin path. This is all about path environment variable. Everybody, please check it out. Any program we need to run, before that, there is a step called compilation. Even though you are new to the software, you can easily understand. Before running, there should be some verification step. Compilation, mainly verifying and generating a binary code. Then running. Any program, everybody. After composing the program, we need to run. After composing the program, after developing a program, we need to run. We need to run. Definitely. We are the human beings. While developing a program, we may be doing some kind of mistakes. Our program straight away should not run. Even though we have a 20 years experience, while composing a program, we cannot guarantee like program is 100% correct. There should be a verification step. That verification step is a compilation. So every program should compile and run, After developing a program, you need to compile and run. Compilation is verifying our code and generating a binary code. Then the second step is running. In order to compile and run, they provided built-in two commands. Come on, guys. In order to compile and run, they provided two built-in commands. Use their commands. What are those commands? Java, C and Java. Where those commands available? In the bin folder. You need to run those two commands from C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive. For that purpose, we need to update a path. We have seen the path. Most of the people thinking like, I'm very new to computers. I'm not able to understand. Is it required this computer knowledge? 10th standard student also can understand. Most of the people keep telling excuse. I'm a BCom student, I'm a BA student, I'm a BSc student, I'm a mechanical engineer, I'm a civil engineer, I'm new to the software. Yes, everybody new to the software. Even CSC candidate, MCA candidate also, they know some extent. They're also learning every point here only, in the institutes only. Don't keep looking for excuses from today onwards. My delivery, 10th standard student also can understand. Each and every point we are going through. Generally, in any programming language, we need to develop the programs. That program should run to see the output. After developing a program, directly running not recommended. The reason is, while we are developing a program, there may be a chance of committing a mistake. Even after 20 years experience also, we will be verifying one time minimum. Without verification, definitely we should not go through. We are the human beings. We maybe keep thinking separately different things while composing. There is a chance of 1% mistake, 2% mistake. Before running, you need to verify. That verification step itself is Java C command, compilation. Running step is nothing but Java command. To develop a program, you require the edit place. Yesterday we downloaded, installed the edit place. After developing a program, you need to verify that program. There is a predefined command to verify. That command is Java C. You have to use the Java C command. To use the Java C command, command prompt should know where Java C command is available. For that purpose, we updated a path. After verifying, we need to run. For the running purpose, we require a Java command. For Java command, if you want to run anywhere, we require a path. We already updated a path. The total software setup is ready. We installed all the softwares. We configured something which is required to run the commands from any location. Without that commands, we cannot verify our program, we cannot run our program. They provided two built-in commands. We have to use those commands to verify our program, to run our program. We need to run those commands from anywhere. To run those commands from anywhere, we required a path. We went through detailed discussion of path. Everything we have seen. Now, we are ready to develop a Java programs. We are ready to develop Java programs. The total software setup is ready. Let us see. Developing Java programs. Let us see developing a first program. To develop the first program, we required the location, directory, the place where we will be developing a Java program. Go to the E drive. D drive for downloading and installations. E drive. It is only for development purpose. If you have a multiple drives, you can allocate like this. Otherwise, in the same drive, you can create multiple directories. In the E drive, I'm creating one folder. November batch development. The folder name. NOV hyphen batch hyphen DEV, all lowercase alphabets without any space. All lowercase alphabets without any space. NOV batch DEV. NOV batch DEV. This is the folder I have created. In this folder only, we will develop Java programs for coming 2 months. For coming 2 months, every day I'll be using this folder itself. After 2 months, we will be using Eclipse. Then in the Eclipse workspace, we will be developing all the programs. Initially for 2 months, we won't use Eclipse. We had to know right from the scratch. If you are using Eclipse, lot of things Eclipse will be developing without your notice. You may not be knowing those points. Learner always should start right from the scratch. So that is why for coming 2 months, we will be using this folder only. In this folder, let us develop one simple Hello World program. One simple Hello World program. To develop any program, we require 3 steps. The first one, composing. Composing or developing. Some people are calling coding. Composing, developing, coding. This is the first and foremost step. Second step, compiling. Second step, compiling. Third one, running. Composing, compiling and running. To compose, we required one editor. Yesterday we have installed the editor. Go to the desktop. You can find Edit Plus. Go to the desktop. You can find Edit Plus. Everybody, open the Edit Plus. This is the first window. License agreement. Click on yes. Click on yes. First window. This is second window. Click OK. No need of doing any changes. Click OK. This only in my system as it is already available. You'll be getting this window. Click on trial. There is a trial. Click on trial. Then initial 30 days you can click on I agree. After 30 days, you can bring this pop-up window to the bottom and keep working. I repeat. Initial 30 days, you can click on I agree. After 30 days, it won't allow I agree. Then you can bring this pop-up window to the bottom and then keep working. No need of buying. I'm using this for the past 24 years. So no need of worry. Edit place is opened. Edit place is opened. Go to the file, new. File, new Java. File, new Java. Click on Java. Automatically you will be getting default code whatever is required for the Java. Automatically you will be getting a default code whatever is required to the Java. Let's go for class name hello. This is the name of the class. Name of the class. Try providing first letter in the uppercase. Name of the class, first letter in the uppercase. First letter in the uppercase. Name of the class, first letter in the uppercase. First letter in the uppercase. Control C, Control S. Control S. For saving purpose, whatever class name, the class name you can select and copy, then Control S. Please observe, you can select a class name, copy. You can select a class name, name of the class without any spaces. Hello. Control S. Control S. Control S. Control S is for saving. Control S is for saving. While saving, you need to consider three things. Everybody, while saving, you need to consider three things. First one, location. In which location you have to save. We already created one folder, November batch DEV. That is the location. Second one, name of the file. What is the name of the file? What is the name of the file? Name of the file. Third one, what is the type of the file? like extension. What is the type of the file? Extension. So here, let's see one by one. So E drive, November batch, E drive, November batch DEV, E drive, November batch DEV. This is the folder. Everybody, go inside. This is the location. Location. Second one. File name. You can see untitled one. Default file name is the untitled one. Default file name is untitled one. Control V. Whatever class name you copied, same class name should be file name. There are some deviations. Don't worry, all the deviations now itself consider as a contract, as a condition. Class name only, file name. There are some deviations. Those deviations I'll show you after 1 month. Till 1 month, keep using class name itself as a file name. Please observe, class name itself as a file name. Class name itself as a file name. There are some deviations. You'll come to know those deviations later. Then the third one, save as. Already Java, no need of changing. The third one, automatically we are getting. The reason behind is we went file new Java in the edit place. Edit place knows like this is the Java file. That is why automatically giving a type as a Java. We started file new Java. Edit place knows like this is a Java file. That is why type automatically giving as a Java. So we need to concentrate on two things. First one, location. Second one, file name. File type, just to observe whether Eclipse provided Java as a type or not. Now it's provided Java as a type, click on save. Click on save. This is the entire composing step. Composing, developing, coding. We composed a simple hello world program. We are given only name to class, rest of the things already we have. We are given a name to the class. Same name we choose it for the file name. We saved in the correct location. We already choose the location as a November batch. Now go to the November batch. You can say hello.java. Hello.java. Composing resulted hello.java. Composing step resulted one Java file. Hello.java. Sometimes .java extension will not be displaying. Sometimes it displays. It is completely operating system configuration. Don't worry about whether .java displaying or not. Now, you need to compile. Second step, compilation. Compilation should be done with a javac command. Java compiler. Javac, Java compiler. Javac command, Java compiler. Compiling. Compilation should be done with a javac command from the Java file location. Remember this. Compilation should be done through javac command from the Java file location. Hello.java. It is there in the November batch. Everybody. Hello.java. It is available in the November batch. Select the address bar. Everybody, please follow me. Select the address bar. Select the address bar. Type CMD. Type CMD. Press enter. Command prompt opened. Command prompt open to the E drive November batch DEV. In this location only Java file is available. You can check it out. Current directory content. Current directory content. Current directory content. dir. Under dir, you can see hello.java. You need to trigger javac command from the place where Java file is located. From the place where Java file is available. You need to trigger javac command from the place. You need to trigger javac command from the place. You need to trigger javac command from the place. From the place. From the place where Java file is available. Let me show how to trigger javac command. Javac space hello.java. 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 Compilation step through javac command. Compilation step through javac command. Compilation step through javac command. From the place where Java file is available. From the place where Java file is available. Now you can check it out in the November batch. You got hello.class. Verified hello.java. If syntactically hello.java is really correct, if syntactically hello.java is really correct, then it generates a new file called class file. New file. The class file will be containing a binary data. You cannot understand what is the content in the hello.class. It is completely a binary data. We don't require to bother. You can see from the command prompt also to see the content of current directory. To see the content of current directory. To see the content of current directory. Use dir. hello.java, hello.class. Two files are there. Compilation resulting hello.class. Compiling. This step is resulting hello.class. Whatever content is there in the Java file, that content moved into class file in the another format. In the another format. Hello.class. 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 Compilation step, very simple, very simple. We triggered Java C command. We triggered Java C command. Java C space hello.java. Java C space hello.java. Java C space hello.java. Compilation resulted a class file. Compilation resulted a class file. Let's move to the running. Third step. The running step should be with a Java command. Running step should be with a Java command. Running step should be with a Java command. Java command. Running step should be with a Java command. Let's see. One more point. Java command should be triggered from the place where class file is available. Java command required a class file. 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 You need to trigger a Java command from the place. You need to trigger a Java command from the place where class file is available. In the current directory, class file is available. You need to specify only name of the class, not the dot class extension. It is a part of the syntax. The syntax is specifying only name of the class. Specifying only name of the class, not the dot class extension. Name of the class, not the dot class extension. Name of the class. Name of the class is a hello one. Sorry, hello. You got the output as a hello one. Java command, Java command, Java command, please observe. Giving a final output. You got the final output. All three steps we have seen to compose, compile and run Hello World program. Let us close all the windows. Let me show one more time. Everybody, close all the windows. Every window. I'll show you one more time. Everybody. First and foremost one, window E, window key and E key. Window and E. window key and E key. Window key and E key. Go to the E drive. In the E drive only our development directory is there. In the E drive only our development directory, put the NOV. November batch DEV. November batch DEV. Go inside. You can see hello.java, hello.class. Likewise, let me develop one more Java file. Go to the desktop, everybody. You can see the desktop through window M. Window key and M key. Window key and M key to see the desktop, to see the desktop. Window and M. Double click on Edit Place. We are opening Edit Place second time. Directly you will be getting only this window. Either I agree or bringing to the bottom. 30 days it allows I agree. After 30 days, bring to the bottom. Whatever hello.java we developed earlier, that is still available. It will be maintaining all the files with a tab syntax. In the bottom left, you can see hello.java as a tab. Let's go for another Java file. File, new Java. Everybody. File, new Java. File, new Java. Class name is hello1. Name of the class, I'm just choosing hello1. Ensure uppercase in the first letter. Hello1. Not doing anything different, anything additionally, only class name, only class name. Now, select the class name without any spaces. Select the class name without any spaces. Control C, copy this one. Control C. Copy this. Control C. Control S for saving. Control yes, control yes. Again observe all three things. Location, file name and type. Location automatically it chooses November batch because of already we saved one file in the same location. Already we saved one file in the same location. That is why automatically it is taking us to the same location. File name, hello1, copy. Copy paste. Type as a Java. Type as a Java. Click on save. Composing. Composing. Hello1 with a different name. Hello1.java. Class name is a hello1. File name is a hello1.java. Same location. Same location. Composing is got over. Composing is got over. Now, come to the November batch DEV. You can see hello1. Hello1. This should be compiled by using Java C command from the place where hello1.java is available. From the place where hello1.java is available. Select the address bar. Select the address bar. Select the address bar, type CMD, press enter. Type CMD, press enter. Trigger Java C command, or else you can go for dir. First dir, you can say hello1.java. First one dir, hello1.java. One more point here. To clear the current command prompt, clearing, there is a command called CLS. CLS is used for clearing command prompt. Clearing, CLS. Use CLS command to compile, sorry, to clear. Now we are ready to trigger Java C command to compile hello1.java. Hello1.java. Press enter. Hello1.java. Java C space hello1.java. Now trigger dir. You can say hello1.class. Hello1.class. You can also check in the November batch. Compiling got over. Everybody. Let me trigger CLS. Try running Java space class name. Class name is hello1. You got the hello world. The second hello world program. So to develop a hello world program, it won't take more than 5 minutes. I'll show you once again all the steps. Please observe. Once again, I'm closing all the windows. First and foremost one, Windows Explorer, E drive. November batch DEV. November batch DEV. In this location, let us develop a new Java file. Window M, desktop. Double click on edit please. Either I agree or bringing to the bottom. You can see two tabs in the left bottom. One is a hello, other is a hello one. Let's go for file new Java. Let me go for hello 2. Hello 2. Select hello 2. Control C. Control C. Control S. Control S. Select the location and file name as a hello 2. File name as hello 2. Click on save. Again, I'm choosing only class name. I'm not choosing anything additionally. Hello 2 is done. Now, open a command prompt to compile. Always, compilation should be from the place where Java file is saved. Go to the address bar, type cmd. Trigger Java C space file name hello2.java. Java space hello2. Java space hello2. So totally 3 Java files we have seen. All are hello world programs. Let's go for one more without closing. In the same file new Java. Let me go for hello 3 and also let me change the content. Hello India. Copy the class name. Control C, Control C. Control C. Control yes. Location is the same location. Control V. Click on save. Class name only. Class name only. Composing hello 3 got over. Composing hello 3 got over. This time we are trying to get output as hello India. We are trying to get output as hello India. Let's compile and run. Same command prompt. Trigger Java C command. Everybody hello 3 dot Java. Trigger Java command hello 3. More and more control should be in the system. We got the hello India. Let us see one more program. File new Java. I'm choosing class name as a hello 4. I'm choosing class name as hello 4. I'm choosing a output as I wanted to learn Java. Under double quotation, anything can be provided. Anything can be provided under double quotation. Select hello 4. Control C. Control C. Control C. Control yes. Control V. Save it. I wanted to learn Java. Composing is got over. Let's compile from the same location. Java C space hello 4.java. Java space hello 4. Java space hello 4. Come to the next one. File new Java. You can give the name as hello again. Observe naming convention. Don't give a space. Don't give a space. In place of the space, second word, first letter should be in the uppercase. Naming convention, if two words are there, second word, first letter in the uppercase. Hello again. Hello again. Come to the line number 5, everybody. Come to the line number 5. Cursor is at line number 5. Go for Control J. Control J. Control J. It is producing same line in the next line. Control J. It is producing same line in the next line. Control J. Control J. Again, Control J. Control J. It is a shortcut in the edit place. Shortcut in the edit place. Control J. Any number of system.out.printlns. Now, copy the class name, everybody. Copy the class name. Control C. Control C. Don't type class name while saving. Copy the class name. Always copy the class name. Control C. Then go for Control S. Control S. Control V. File name. Class name only. File name. Class name only. Control V. Click on save. Click on save. Now try compiling and running. Everybody use the same command prompt. Here also, please follow me. Java C space. Already class name is available in the clipboard. Right click and paste. Then .java. Don't try typing once again. Always avoid typo errors. Always avoid typo errors. Compilation is done. Check it out in the November batch. You will be finding hello again.class. Hello again.class. Try running Java space, right click and paste. Java space, right click and paste. Three lines of output, 3 lines of output. Come back to edit please. Let us see one more program. File, new, Java. My hello program. You can see 3 words are there. My hello program. Totally 3 words are there. Every word first letter choosing in the uppercase. My hello program. Every word first letter choosing in the uppercase. Every word first letter choosing in the uppercase. Now come to the line number 5. Line number 5. I'm just mentioning ABC. Line number 5. Control J. I'm mentioning XYZ. One second. This time I'm selecting both the lines. Select both the lines. Now press Ctrl J. Select both the lines. Then Ctrl J. Now let me select the last 3 lines. Any number of lines you can select. All selected lines will be reproducing through Ctrl J. Any number of lines. By default, 1 line. If you select 3 lines, all 3 lines will be reproducing. Ctrl J. Please observe everybody. Copy the class name. Always, before saving a file, copy the class name. With the class name only, give a file name. Control C. Control C. Then Control S. Control S. Control V. Control V. Choose the location. Save. After saving, go to the command prompt, trigger Java C command, space, don't type the file name. Don't type the file name. Right click and paste. Right click and paste with a .java extension. Java space, right click and paste. Java space, right click and paste. Likewise, we can compose any number of hello world programs. Hello world programs. Now, how to modify existing program, how to edit, how to modify, how to enhance existing program, how we can modify, an existing program. You can take any program, everybody. Let me take a hello 3. It's already compiled and ran also. I need to modify, I need to enhance, I need to modify, I need to enhance an existing program. An existing program. Go to the line number 5, Control J. Line number 5, Control J. Control J. Whenever you are modifying, you can see in the bottom, there is a red mark. We modified a Java file. We did not save yet. That is what the representation of red mark. There is a red mark in the tab. You modified, not saved yet. Not saved yet. You have modified and not saved yet. Control yes. Now there is no red mark. There is no red mark for hello 3 tab. I just added one more line. I just added one more line. Whenever you modify, you need to recompile. Whenever you modify, first save it, then recompile, then run. After modifying, save the program, recompile, recompilation. Try running. Recompilation and then running. Come back to hello 3 one more time. Everybody, I'm adding one more line. Whenever you modify, there is a red mark in the hello 3 tab. Hello 3 tab, there is a red mark. In the bottom you can see. Control yes. Now there is no red mark. Saved. Completely saved. After saving, you need to recompile and run. After saving, you need to recompile and run. Java C space. hello 3.java, Java space hello 3. Understood? Let me show one more time. Everybody, go back to the hello 3 once again. You can modify anything. Hello Java. Whenever you modify, the tab will be displaying with the red color. Tab will be displaying with the red color. That says like file got modified, not saved yet. File got modified and not saved yet. Control S, Control S. It's got saved also. Come on. It's got saved. Come back to command prompt. You can also do up arrow one more time. Previously, whichever commands triggered, those commands we can retrieve. Down arrow. Please observe. For every modification, you need to save, you need to recompile, you need to run. Come on. Come back to Java file. Let me modify one more time. Hello BTM. Whenever you do any changes, it will say, it will show red mark. Control S. No red mark. Without fail, you have to save and recompile. Clear the console. 2 times up arrow, 1 time down arrow. Now let us see. I'm adding one more line. There is a red mark in the hello 3.java tab. I did not save. Assume without saving. Without saving, what happens if you compile and run? Without saving, if you compile and run, you won't get the latest modifications. You will not be getting latest results. I'm not saving. Without saving, let's go to compile and run. You're not getting the last hello BTM one more line. Come back to Java, save it, Control S. Come back to the command prompt. Come back to the command prompt. Recompile. Rerun. Recompile and then rerun. Now, come back to the Java file. I modified one more time. I also saved. Control S. No red mark. 3 times BTM. No red mark. I saved. No matter whether you are saving or not, you cannot run without compilation. Let me run directly without compilation. Compilation process. It verifies your Java file. If Java file is syntactically correct, then it generates a binary code in the class file. Whatever you do changes in the Java file, those changes should be copied into class file. Those changes should be copied into the class file. Those changes should be copied into the class file, transferred into the class file. That can be done through Java C command. That can be done through Java C command. For every change without fail, you need to save, you need to recompile, then only you need to run. For every modification, save and recompile before running. Let me go to my hello program, everybody. My hello program. It's already compiled and ran. Already compiled and ran. I'm removing these money lines. I'm removing all these selected lines. I'm removing all these selected lines. All these selected lines we are removing. This also modification. You can see the red mark. This also either adding a new line or removing an existing line or modifying an existing line. All comes under changes. Control S, I modified. I saved. I saved. Control S. Let me recompile and run. Recompile and run. Java C space. Right click and dot Java. Java space. Right click and paste. For every change, for every change, what you have to do? Recompile and run. Sorry, save, recompile and run. Save, recompile and run. Saving, recompiling, recompiling and running. Now, everybody, you can see in the November batch, you can find some back files. Hello 3 back. My hello program back. There will be some back files. There will be some back files. There will be some back files. Some back files. Whenever you modify the Java file, Edit Plus will generate a backup file. Come on, guys. Whenever you modify Java file, Edit Plus is generating a back file. Please select both the back files and remove. Select both the back files and remove. In my system, no back files. In your systems, back files are there. I already told to the Edit Plus, for any changes, don't develop the back file. In your Edit Plus, you didn't configure that. For every change, it is generating a back file. Please select both the back files and remove. I'll show the procedure of configuring in the Edit Plus not to develop a back file. Hello 3 back file, my hello program back file. These two files only you modified. Whenever you are modifying, Edit Plus generating a back file, Edit Plus generating a back file. Select both the back files and remove. Let us see the configuration to specify to the Edit Plus. Don't develop a back file for any changes. First remove the back files. First remove the back files. Then come to the Edit Plus. Come to the Edit Place. Go to the Tools and Preferences. Tools and preferences. You can see file, select the file. Tools and preferences. Select the file. After selecting a file, you can see create backup when saving. There is one checkbox. There is one checkbox. Create backup file when saving. It is checked automatically. By default, it's got checked. By default, it's got checked. You need to uncheck this. In my system, it's unchecked already. That is why my edit place not generated a backup file. So please observe, I'll show you once again. Click on apply. Click on OK. I'll show you once again. Tools, preferences. Select the file. Select the file. Tools, preferences. Select the file. Then backup. Create backup file when saving. It should be unchecked. By default, it's checked. It should be unchecked. If it is unchecked, you won't get a backup file. Back file will not be getting. Now let us experiment. Go to the hello 4, everybody. Let us modify hello 4. I wanted to learn Java. Go for one more line. I wanted to learn Java. By practicing minimum 12 hours per day. I wanted to learn Java by practicing minimum 12 hours per day. Minimum 12 hours, maximum 24 hours. Unfortunately, God given only 24 hours. So Control S, we modified hello4.java, hello4.java. Control S, Control S. Recompile and run, recompile and run. Everybody, recompile and run. Java C space, hello4.java, Java space, hello4. You got the modified output. Now check it out whether backup file generated to hello4 or not. Now edit place not generating back file for the hello4. Edit place not generating back file. Not generating back file for hello4. Yes or no? It's not generating. You can check it out in the November batch. From now onwards, for any changes, edit place will not be generating a back file. This is completely hello world development. Totally hello world development. So here, so in my system, totally 14 items are there in the current folder. 14 items means 7 Java files, 7 class files. We hardly spent 1.5 hours. Within 1.5 hours, we developed 7 Java files. That in the learning stage, first day. What about second day, third day, fourth day. Definitely, in the class itself, you will be developing 20, 30 programs. After the class, you'll be developing at least 30, 40 programs. For every Java file, class file also. For every Java file, class file. Here 7 Java files, 7 class files. If 100 Java files, 100 class files. If 200 Java files, 200 class files. According to industry convention, two types of files not recommended to develop in the same folder. I repeat, everybody, according to industry convention, two types of the files in the same folder not recommended. Two types of files in the same folder not recommended. In the same folder, two types of files not recommended. In one folder, Java files, class files. In one folder, Word document, Excel sheets. In one folder, images, video files. In one folder, PPT files, PDF files. Not recommended. In the operating system, folder creation, not an expensive operation. Any number of folders we can create. While creating multiple folders, we are not getting any performance issue. You can create 1000 folders also. Folder creation not an expensive operation. If folder creation not an expensive operation, then why are you developing multiple type of files in the same folder? Multiple type of the files in the same folder. Generally in one box, one type of items. Generally in one box, one type of files. One type of items. Here also in the software, in one folder, try developing one type of files, even though 100 files. Let all one type. Generally in one box, there may be 10 items of similar type, 20 items of similar type, 100 items of similar type. In a bus, all human beings, not the human beings and also buffaloes. It's not at all meaningful. In the house also, only human beings, not along with the buffaloes. Buffaloes will be outside. Please observe. In one box, one type of items. In one folder, one type of files. One type of files. In the same folder, Java files, class files, image files, Excel files, Word documents. Not at all recommended. When it is recommended, if folder creation is very expensive operation, if you are not getting multiple boxes, if you don't have a multiple boxes, if you have only one box, then definitely all different items we will be storing in the same box. If multiple boxes are there, we'll go for different. Got it or not? So here also, developing Java files and class files in the same location not recommended. You need to separate. There is a way to separate automatically. That procedure I'll show you in the next session. Before going to the topic, you need to practice all these things. Lot of concepts covered. Total path we have seen. The total different ways of developing Hello World programs we have seen. We developed 7 programs. You can develop 20 programs. Become very comfortable on folder, developing a Java file, opening a command prompt for the same folder, triggering Java C command, modifying Java file, saving, recompiling, running. All these steps you need to experiment again and again. Tomorrow we will see, not tomorrow, on Monday. Monday we will be seeing -d usage, which is used for separating Java files and class files while compiling itself. While compiling itself, we can separate Java files and class files. That portion I'll show you on Monday.